Hi, before watching this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and get latest updates of digital marketing. Nowadays, YouTube has become a great platform to showcase your talent, and many people started their channel and showcasing their talent. If you did not start your YouTube channel, please check my previous videos how to create a YouTube channel. Then you can start creating your own YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to rank your videos and get top on the YouTube. Now, before doing SEO for your previous video or new video, so we need to install some of the Chrome extensions. So the Chrome extension is vidIQ. So vidIQ is one of the Chrome extension. So this is the Chrome extension of vidIQ. This will be helpful in finding how much length of the title should be there and length of the characters of the description. So that means what length the title should be and how much characters should be for the description. This will be helpful in you finding out the length and description length. So now I'm doing SEO for my previous videos. So let's say if I want to do SEO for my previous video is that so I'm doing SEO for my previous video. Let's say this is the video, what is keyword and how to do keyword research. So this is the new video, I mean the previous video. Now if you does not have any videos, then how to upload a video? Just log in with your with your YouTube channel, then start creating. You need to upload the videos. So once you have done uploading of your YouTube video, then the pattern will be in this way, that is title, description, and here the tags. So these are the tags. So now how we need to go with the tags and how we need to place the title and how we need to write the description, let's see in this video now. So title, so the title should be, you can see here you are getting the characters, how much length of the characters should be there. It is like 100 characters. Why we are getting this a number? Because we have been installed a vidIQ Chrome extension. So this extension tool is giving the length. This should be length, I mean the video length of the title should be like only 100 characters. So for doing a best SEO for your YouTube videos, so we need to follow some rules and regulations. So that is, the title should be 100 characters and the description can be up to 5000 characters. And here we need to know that the tags. So tags are nothing but the keywords, which keyword you want to place in the top position, or the persons who are watching the video, or if you want to get your video in the top position, these tags will be helpful in getting the top ranking. So now, so this is my title, what is keyword, how to research keywords using Google Keyword Planner. So if you don't know how to find out the title, so just go for the competitors title. So check with the competitors which competitor is having a good title. So now let's say I am going for my competitors. Let's say I don't know how to write the title. So now this video is explaining about the keyword. So now type what is keyword and get some ideas from the competitors. So now you can see here what is keyword in Hindi, keyword, how to find the right keywords to rank one on Google, powerful keyword research tool for SEO 2018. So in this way you can find some of the competitors title on the YouTube. So now you can check. So these are the titles of the competitors. Now let's say which title seems to be having a good related content. So just copy that title, just copy the title which you liked. So this is the title. So now you can see here. Now if I want to write a new title, because it's already done, I'm showing you about the competitors analysis. So now you can see here. So now this is my title. So he has been given how to find the right keywords to rank number 1 on Google, powerful keyword research tool for SEO. So he has been given 2018. So now I am making this video in 2020. So I am just made it's into 2020. So now you can see here the title has been done. So before writing a title, you need to have a content. So that content should be relevant to your title, and you need to frame the title. So now how to find out the right keywords to rank number 1 on Google and powerful keyword research tool for SEO. So now this is my title. So after knowing your title, so that you need to have a description. So I'm replacing with my old title. So what is keyword and how to research the keywords using keyword planner. So this is my title now. So by using that, you need to write the description. So this description is nothing but whatever the detailed explanation is there on the YouTube content, so that you need to brief it on description. That means, so what the video is explaining about, this video is explaining about the keyword research. In the similar way, what is your video is about, so what explanation you has been given, so that need to be on the description. For example, the video is about cooking related. So what is the what is that cooking item is about, and what are the ingredients you are using for that particular item. So that all the things you need to be and you need to be placed on the description. So that is about the description part. So this description can be up to 5000 characters. So now you can see the latest update that when you are doing any when you are watching any video, the hashtags are there on the YouTube. I'll show you some of the videos. So some hashtags are there on the content, like here you can see there is no hashtags, but you can see some of the latest update that hashtags are presenting on the title top. So how to get those hashtags on the title is, so that title you should be here, that is in the description part, you need to highlight with that particular hashtag. So nothing but I'm giving hashtag keyword research and Google keyword planner SEO 2020. So these hashtags will be you will be getting on the top of the title. So I'll show you. Before that, I'll be saving and I'll show you on the YouTube. So now you can see here hashtag keyword research, Google keyword planner and SEO 2020. So to get this kind of hashtags on the title, so we need to give some hashtags on the description part. So this is about the title and the description part. So this is the most important thing to do SEO for YouTube. And the next important thing is that the keywords. So the keywords are nothing but the tags which you want to place on the channel inside of the videos. So these tags are nothing but whenever the particular person is watching any video, the particular person's type with the keywords. So to get that keyword ideas, we need to use some of the there is a tool called Rapid Tags. So there is a tool, there is a website called Rapid Tags. So in this Rapid Tags IO, so whatever the title is there, whatever the title you are thinking, this is a title for my video right now. So now I want to use my I want to get some tags. The persons who are watching this video, with what keywords the particular persons are typing, so that will be getting ideas. So now this is my, let's say with this particular keywords I want to get some tags. So just enter into the rapid tags IO website, then here you can see here, enter your next YouTube video title to generate tags. So now I'm entering my title, how to research keywords using Google Keyword Planner. So then search with that particular title, and here you will be getting some of the tags which are popular on the YouTube and the people are searching with that particular tags. So now you can see here keyword research, Google Keyword Planner, Google AdWords Keyword Planner, how to do keyword research for SEO, Google Keyword Tool, Google AdWords Keyword Tool. So now you can see here many keywords tags you got. So that means the people are searching with this particular type of keywords and getting results. So if you want to get with this keywords as a results in the top of your with these keywords, then you need to place all these tags in your video. So I'm just copying this and I'm placing all these in my tags. So now you can see here, so all the tags are placed in my tag manager in the YouTube. So now among these I want to remove few of the keywords. So I don't want to use this one because it is in Hindi, it is in English. How to use Google Keyword Planner, AdWords Keyword Planner, Keyword Research Tool, it's a free. I want to remove Google Keyword Research, Google Keyword Planner. So now I have been removed few of the tools. So now again there are two particular words, two sentences, that is what is keyword and how to research keyword using Google Keyword Planner. So directly I'm using this particular key phrase in my tag. So that means whatever the title is there, that should be present in your keyword to get ranking. So now I'm doing this using this particular keyword also, and I'm also using what is keyword. So I'm using the particular keyword tool, keyword also. So now you can see here, so by these you can know that, so for doing SEO for your YouTube channel, so the main important thing is that the title length should be 100 characters, and then a description part. If you want to get on the title this kind of hashtags, you should use on the description part, and this description is nothing but whatever the content what you are presenting on the video, that should be on the scripted part. That is nothing but you should give an overview of your content, and then these tags will be helpful with this particular keywords. The particular persons or the visitors are coming to your video using these particular keywords. Now by using all these techniques, then you can get ranking on the YouTube. So thank you.